What's up? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to add custom links like this to your channel. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So first what you're going to do is press customize channel. And once you get to this customized channel page, you're going to press about. Once you press about, you'll see your description. You can change it with this pencil, but that's not what we're doing today. You can do details, add an email for business requires, and you can do a location. But then down here, you can see it says links. Add one, press this pencil, press add, name the title, like click to subscribe, put the URL, anything, and then you're all good. Press done when you're done. If you want to delete one, just press this garbage can. What this means is overlay first 5 custom links on the channel art. So that means that it will be here. So I've set it to first 5, but I only have 1 link so far, so that's why it shows this on my channel art. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 views and 28 subscribers. See you next time!